I've just come back from the store and I got this new slime. It has a star on it. And it says if you touch it, the lid will pop up because I can't open it this way. Oh, it's stuck. Ugh. I don't think even superheroes can open it or Hulk. So it says to press the star in the middle to open it. So let's go do this over here. It came loose. I can take it off. Oh my god. This slime is so cool. Wait. It kind of feels hard. Like hard. Yeah, it's like hard. It's not even sticky anymore. Look. Watch. 3, 2, 1. I can't. I'm trying to put my finger through it, but it's not working. It's just like hard slime. Ugh. I don't think anything cool can break this. Oh my god. I think this was a rip-off. I don't know. I think this was a rip-off. I'm going to have to go return this really quickly and get a new slime. We'll see when that goes out. It's from a different store, but it's going to be the same pop-up and the same blue slime. And it's really gone hard. The lid's not coming on now. Okay, bye. Oh, I forgot. Guys, we're back with the new slime. We just went to the store to get some new ones. It's exactly the same as the other one. Has a star in the middle, and it's blue foamy slime because I like blue foamy slime. So we're gonna press the star. You hear that? It's coming down. All right. Let's see if this is better. Oh, this is way better. Look at it. Guys. I'm going to have to do some aesthetics with this. Oh my god, sorry. Whoa. This is like so stretchy. And oh my god, I got foam balls on my hands. Oh, don't want that to happen. Wait, the man told me at the shop that if you get foam balls on your hand, you can collect it with the slime. That actually works. Oh my god. Good deed, dude. We're going to get some more of the slime out. See if we can get the whole pot of slime out. So we're going to keep connecting it and connecting it. We nearly got the whole pot out. I'm going to keep digging with my 2 fingers through the pot. Okay. Got a lot out. We got almost all of it out. Okay, I think we got nearly all of it. Okay, so this is what I turned out with. This much. Don't give you like a lot. But comment on the video or anything. Don't comment mean things like things that you know behind the scenes of in this video. Because there might be some behind the scenes tricks I don't want you to know. And if you find out what they are, don't comment it down below because that will just like ruin it all for you with people and all that. I'm trying to shape a head. Oh, I know what to make. I'm going to try and make something. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to try and make it. It's something to do with YouTube and that's all the hints I'm giving. You're not allowed to see I'm making it. Okay, we need some more slime to make this. In the middle. Okay, I think I'm going to shape it now. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Do you see what I did, guys? I tried to make the YouTube button. You can see I tried to make it. Well, that turned out crappy. It did say that we can collect foam balls, and there's lots of foam balls in here, so let's see if I can collect some of the slime that I can't get. I think it's just collecting foam balls. Just to let you guys know, here's a little spoiler. This is not actually my slime. It's my friend Jessica's, she left it here. And this is the same slime, and it wasn't rock hard, the other slime. This one's the exact same as the rock hard one, but it's the exact same. It wasn't rock hard, it's slimy all this time. I didn't want to tell you guys, I think I have hay fever now. But I hope you all guys are staying safe at home. I might do some aesthetics with this. Let's cover the camera with this. See? It looks like snow. Whoa. Like snow. Guys, it's snowing. Cool.